Hello and welcome to Life on Pig Row on what is a very blustery day, and today I'm going to lift the last of my onions and we're going to pickle them. So I'm going to do that really quickly outdoors, and then we're going to get into the kitchen where it's warm and less windy. So we're indoors now, and I have cleaned up most of the onions, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So here's an onion I've just washed. Here we are. And all you need to do is take scissors, chop that, take it that side, and chop that. And then we're going to wash it, make sure it's clean, peel the outer layers. Now there's a way of doing the outer layers and it's really simple. If they've got a brown outer layer, just put them in a bowl, pour boiling water, leave them for 20 seconds, dunk them into cold water, and the skins will come off really easily. But as you can see with these, they've not got brown skins, so they're incredibly easy to peel. They're incredibly easy to pickle as well. Now you're going to end up with loads of onion tops. What you do is wash them, bundle them together, put them in the fridge and use them as an onion substitute. Don't throw them away. They're really useful. So here's our cleaned up onions now, and then it's just a matter of getting some salt and sprinkling all over like so. That's to crisp them up, and we're going to leave them for 24 hours. We just cover with a glass plate. So it brings us nicely to our pickling vinegar. We have 600 millilitres of vinegar. Any malt vinegar will do. 100 grams of sugar. We have 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, 1 of coriander, 1/4 of peppercorns, and 2 bay leaves. And we're going to put all that in a pan now, bring it to a boil. So it's come to the boil. All the spices are doing really well in there, and now it's just a matter of turn it off, cover it over, take off the heat and leave until you come to jar and bottle up the onions, which will be in 24 hours time, which by then this will be really infused with all the coriander, all the pepper, all the bay and all the mustard seed. So 24 hours later, and we're going to look at the onions, what to do next, and we're going to look at what to put them in. So the onions have been in here now for 24 hours. I'm going to wash them off in a minute, but what are we going to put them in? Well, I'm going to put them into some jars which I've sterilised. And if you want to know how to sterilise jars, it's really easy. You can do it in a low oven, leave them there for about 15 minutes, or you can use really piping hot water. And the reason for that is just to kill all the nasties that may be lurking on there. So I've put the onions in a colander, and now I'm going to thoroughly wash them. I'm taking all the excess salt off. I've packed the onions dry, and now it's just a matter of starting to pop them in the jars like so. So there are onions in both jars now, and it's just a matter of using the vinegar that's been infusing also for 24 hours. Everything goes in. Bay leaves, mustard seeds, peppercorns, you name it. And don't forget your lovely jam decanter, which I think is a wonderful thing. And then it's a matter of just spooning it in, which I'm going to do now. So in we go, I'm using a ladle. And in we go. You can see it started to fill up. And we're going to come back to these when they're full up. And then it's a matter of just the lids on. And you can see, look at it, you see it? All the spices are still in there. And in about 5 to 6 weeks this will be ready, so it'll just be in time for us, because we filmed this a few weeks ago, ready for Christmas. But if you do it now, it'll be ready for New Year and all those celebrations. So that's how to pickle your own onions. And yes, they're not all completely full, but it doesn't matter because they're in there, they're happy. And until next time, from Life on Pig Row, it's a big bye-bye from me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here every Saturday, and we're here with how-to, down-to-earth advice. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.